Hey, hey, what? Ray Mack, hey, what? Hey, what? Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. Love and not hate. Welcome to Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Love and not hate. What? Love and not hate. Come on. Welcome to
Hey YouTube fam, what's up? What's up? This is Ray Mack. Today what we're gonna do, y'all, we're gonna do some wings on the grill, and I have another technique that I would like to show you guys as far as grilling some good tasting wings on the grill. So I got some whole wings here. I got a family pack of wings that I done washed off and cleaned them up pretty good, but I didn't pat them dry because we're gonna go ahead and wet these things again. The reason why? Because we're marinating these wings. I left the tips and all that stuff on them, keeping them whole. So this is what we're gonna do for the wings. All right, so first thing that I do have, I got some brown sugar that I'm going to put in here, and I'm going to leave some measurements below for you guys if you want the recipe to these fantastic tasting wings. Alright, so I got some of this here McKay's barbecue seasoning that I'm just going to put in also, and we are brining these wings. Alright, so I'm going to take some water. So you're going to need a good container that you could put a top on, or whatever that you do have, to secure your chicken in so it won't leak in the fridge. Alright, so I'm just going to basically fill the water up to about right there. Alright, so I got these wings in the brining solution, and this is all we're going to do. And yes, I'm going to wash my hands. I know I'm touching raw chicken, but it's all good because I'm eating this. Alright, so we got that in the brine solution, and what we're going to do, once again, this is some brown sugar. You can use whatever type of barbecue seasoning you like, but I like some McKay's barbecue seasoning. I swear to God, that's some good stuff, y'all. And then you're just going to take some water and you're going to fill it up to the top. Alright, so that's basically about it for this here. Alright, so this is what we're going to do, is just sit this, going to seal this up real good. Now what you could do is you could do this overnight and place it into the refrigerator, and you could just do this the next day. I'm going to give this about 8 hours of brining. I'm going to the gym and do a little running or whatever, errands and stuff like that. So when I get back, I'll be ready to cook this on the grill. So let's put this in the fridge and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, I got a little ahead of myself. One thing that I did forget to put in here was some salt. So we're going to put some salt in this here. Alright. And that'll be enough for these wings. And let me just get down in here and get this salt in here. Once again, I'm eating these wings, so I don't have no gloves on. Alright, so now we can put the lid back on this thing and put this in the fridge. Alright, so I'll be back now. YouTube, these wings are going to be good as a mug, I'm telling you. We're going to go ahead and get our season together, our barbecue rub together. So the first thing I got is some garlic powder, and I'm leaving the measurements below for you guys. Alright, the next thing we got is some onion powder. Yes indeed, man. We're going to mix and combinate these seasonings together. Definitely is going to show off some of the flavor in that on those chicken wings. We're going to take us some black pepper. Don't be scared of your black pepper, but the measurements will be below. And then we got some ground mustard. I'm going to add this to it. Alright, come on, ground mustard. She playing with me. She playing with me. That'll be enough. Then we got some of this here ground paprika. Yes. A little bit more. So we got some cayenne pepper. It's not going to be hot, but we're putting in a little heat to that. Then we're going to add in some of this here Cajun seasoning. Alright. This is going to be a good rub, y'all. Believe me, it is. Now once we got that done, we're going to put some of this here oregano in that. So let's get this mixed up real quick. Let's mix this up. This is our rub for the chicken wings. And we'll be ready to toast these babies on the grill. Alright, so stay with me. I'll be right back.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Let's go ahead and season up this here meat with the barbecue seasoning that we just made. This is definitely going to give you one impact on your flavor. So season that meat up and don't be scared to lace it with some barbecue seasoning. Mack style. Alright y'all, I'm going to put these wings on. I got the grill set up on indirect heat. And I'm going to throw these wings on and I'm going to set up, I'm going to fix some basting, some mop for this, some mop sauce for this. So I let it marinate in my in that brine. And then I made some of this here barbecue rub for it. Like I say, these are some easy steps right here for these wings. Easy recipe. Anybody could do this. And the level of difficulty isn't hard at all. So we're just gonna close it up. And like I said, I got the wings. I got burning coals on this side, and I used 2 bricks to divide this, thanks to Lyle from No Hippie Barbecue. And I got the wings on the side without the coals. I'm just gonna let this here roast off. And I still love my old grill, Old Faithful right there.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
I want you guys to give this basting sauce a try, and please let me know what you think. What I did is I took some chicken broth along with some butter, and I spiced it up with some salt and pepper, and I added just a little bit of hot sauce to it, and I'm basting these wings with this basting sauce. Give this a try and let me know exactly what you think and if you guys like it. I let these wings roast on the grill until the eternal temp came to 165 degrees. Once you get to your desired doneness, go ahead and take these babies off the grill and you snack on them or do whatever you like with them. I truly enjoyed this here recipe. Check out the rest of the video. These how the wings turn out. Go ahead and get a piece of this thing, man. You can use your own favorite barbecue sauce on this. I chose to go with something that I created. Man. It's pretty daggone tasty. And it's moist from that brine. So that chicken will not dry out. It's hot. This is delicious. I want to thank you guys for checking out Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Please visit me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Whatever you do, don't leave without hitting that subscribe button. And also click that notification bell right next to that button so you will be notified of up and coming videos. Here are 2 videos that I'm thinking you guys would pretty much love to watch. So go ahead and click on these here videos, and don't forget to click on that picture and you subscribe. Thank you. Love and not hate. Love somebody and hate nobody. Peace.